Hey, let me see your hands for a minute, man. Get them out of your pockets. Turn around for me, okay? Walk backwards. Just come back here to me. Just keep your hands out of your pockets. Everything will be all right. Stop.
Curtin at Palmetto, 147.
Okay, what's going on there?
Okay, got this guy in a black hoodie, black jacket, blue hoodie, light blue pants. He was throwing stuff at me. I walked up to this lady's house to call police. He got a weapon on him.
What kind of weapon?
I think a gun.
Did you see a gun or you just think you saw one?
Yeah, I know. I seen a gun.
You saw a gun in his hand?
Yes, ma'am.
And is he what?
Black guy. Caramel complexion man. Black, African American.
And he pointed a firearm at you?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
John Burks.
Was that of an argument?
No, ma'am. I think something wrong. I think something wrong with the guy.
What do you mean you think something's wrong with him?
He was acting weird.
What do you mean acting weird? Like you think he's on drugs?
Like mental hospital.
Okay.
Like paranoid schizophrenia weird.
Do you want to speak to an officer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you going to be there at Clarendon and Palmetto?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. An officer will be out shortly.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, I got this only guy I see. Cruiser's coming in the area. This guy I see is on the east sidewalk next to a white Cadillac sedan. It's the only one I see out. Good job, River. Good job. Yeah. Cruiser, there's a guy on the sidewalk ahead. He's got a dark jacket on. He's going to be on your left. Right at the intersection there.
Hey, we're pulling out. He's got eyes on us. Hey, let me see your hands for a minute, man. Get them out of your pockets. Turn around for me, okay? Walk backwards. Just come back here to me. Just keep your hands out of your pockets. Everything will be all right. Stop right there for me, buddy. Get down on your knees, okay? Keep your hands out to your side. Do not put them in your pockets. You hear me? Keep your hands behind you like you're saying a prayer, okay?
You let me know when you're ready. One of us can go.
Right. I'm good. I'll talk. Stay like that, okay? I'm not move.
I'm going to grab your hands, okay? Just like this.
No.
Stay on the ground.
Stay down.
Keep your hands together, just like this, okay?
You're going to do something. Take a breath. Just take a breath. You're going to be fine.
Spread your feet for me, buddy, okay?
See that guy right next to us. That's around his gun.
Do you have a gun or anything on you, man? Where's it at, okay? It's right in your pocket?
Come right in here. I'll try it. Right beside you.
Huh? Yeah.
Calling 911, we got one detained.
Okay, buddy. We're gonna go to the other side, okay?
We got our business 33.
Do you want to switch me sides or you want to get that side?
You're a woman. Say you have a 33.
What's in your pocket? Just keys? Okay. What's going on tonight, bud? Okay, it's in your pocket. I feel it, okay? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to take this out of your pocket, okay? Okay. I'm going to go take this back to the cruiser, and this other officer is going to escort you back there, okay?
going on, man?
Stop right in here. Get one to that. Project.
You make the call? Oh, okay. What's going on?
Tower 911, we got 1 detained.
I appreciate it. We'll pat him down. We just want to make sure you don't have a gun if you don't mind. Turn around for me, man. All right. Relax your hands back.
You're available, man. Just say you have a 33.
Hold up, man. Why you putting cuffs on me?
Hey, from 1 8 development.
Copy.
So what happened, my man?
Oh, look. Walk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, good. I'm gonna sound off.
That in a second.
Oh, okay. Yeah, if I walk, dude,
Appreciate it, man.
all right. Well, dude starts throwing shit.
He starts throwing stuff?
Throwing stuff.
Yeah.
And he's like a mental patient or something. So he's throwing shit. I'll look, like, what the fuck? This motherfucker got a gun. They pull it out and just start pointing at me. On some fucking retarded shit.
Did he say anything to you?
They call me a nigger. That's why I know he cracked up a black dude. I think he's fucking Somali. That's why I said on the phone. He's fucking, he caramel complexion. He's got a brown skin like face. You know what I mean? But no, he's like, he just,
Is that guy right there?
We're talking to.
he just stood there. I went out to the back until I seen y'all coming up. That's when I was standing here.
You live here?
Oh, no, sir. My girl stay here.
I got you. You want to pursue criminal charges?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You got your ID on you?
Oh, no, sir, I don't.
Okay. I'll get some information from you.
Yes, sir.
You said you don't have it on you?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay.
I'm looking for my car.
First name, man.
John?
John?
Yes, sir.
We can see if he wants to give a written statement and stuff and see how everything went. I don't have an extra pen though if he wants to fill a statement out.
We'll figure that out.
Sounds good. Hey, bud.
Yes, sir.
Would you be willing to fill out a written statement? Just it doesn't have to be anything elaborate. Just what you said to me.
Yes, sir.
What you said to me and what he said to you and everything he did.
Yes, sir.
So he will be going to jail tonight.
Thank you, sir.